Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a DOOGEE Note 56 Pro, and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings. And here we need to scroll and find the option Security and Privacy. Then let's scroll all the way down to find the option More Security and Privacy. Scroll down again and find Encryption and Credentials. Let's tap. Here we've got this option, so just tap on Clear Credentials and confirm it by tapping on OK. Not only we've got this information, but also this option is inactive, which means that we just successfully removed all saved certificates. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.